Alright, boys and girls, today's video we have a Toyota Sienna. Alright, this is a 09 model. Alright, I'm gonna be showing you how to replace a cabin filter, which I have sitting right there on the seat. I'll show you a part number. But cabin filter, what it does is it takes the outside air, it purifies it through your filter and gives you the heat, AC, all that airflow you feel coming out these vents over here. Let me come around, I'll show you. All the air that's coming out these vents right here, over there, and on the one on the other side is going through this cabin filter. Right, this is the filter. There's a part number right there if you need to find this part number. All right, the filter is located behind this glove box, right behind it. But what it does is the air goes right through here, right, and it circulates through that filter and it purifies the air and gives you fresh air. You can also select the mode over here. If you select this mode right here, the one that has that arrow on it, what it's gonna do is it's gonna take air, internal air, and push it through the filter instead of taking the air from outside. All right, so to replace this filter, what you're gonna do is, if you have a Toyota Sienna, most of the Toyotas are the same. All right, little different setup. So you go inside this glove box. All right, right on this side, some cars will have a screw here on this little guy. So all you need to do is push that in. Like this one is off already. All right, but if it wasn't off, all you do is you push this in. See, this guy is out from inside, but that's the common problem. Then you need to squeeze this little guy right here. Same thing on the other side. And back here, you're gonna have a little tray that looks just like that. All right, not so clean back here, but this tray right here, it's probably got an arrow right here. It says up. So new filter needs to have an arrow facing up, right? So you push this tab, you push the tab on the other side, and this will come out, right? Just like so. Look at the condition of this filter, guys. This is filthy. All right, do change your cabin filter every 10,000 miles, especially seasonal. If you're we're talking what you call it, pollen allergy season is gonna get you sick. All right, so change this filter and it should be good to go. Right, so let me take out this filter, let me put in the new filter, and we'll swap it out, right? And then I'll show you how to put it back in. All right, guys, almost got the new filter in. Before I put it in, I just want to show you this, guys, this arrow. You have to follow the arrow sign there and just face it up, right, like it says so. All right, let me get the rest of this in. Make sure there's no escape spots for the air to escape through. All right, make sure you get it nice and flush on all the sides. I'm working with one hand, that's why, guys, I'm having a little difficulty here, but I need to make this video. All right, there I have that one, and let me get this one down below it. There it goes. All right, so these little hooks right here are gonna keep the filter flush. All right, very simple, guys. Take this little guy, stick it in there, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna slide it in and it's gonna click, and that's it. You're done, guys. This is a job well done here. And this little guy that was not in there installed properly, so if you do need to install it, all you need to do is hook it up over here. It's very simple. It should click right in, and then you're gonna push this glove box up. It's gonna clip in, but don't forget to put this little plunger back in, because this is gonna give it a smooth ride coming down, right? Just like that. Test it, should come down smooth. All right, so guys, thank you, subscribe, and bye-bye. We will see you on the next one. All right, so if you haven't changed your cabin filter, guys, change it immediately. You might not get sick. If you have allergies, very good thing to do. All right, so subscribe and bye-bye.